And it's clear, as many of my colleagues have noted, that Britain is weary after 7 years of hard slog repairing the damage of Labour's Great Recession. When I took office last year, I reset the fiscal rules, recommitting to achieving fiscal balance, but doing it over a longer timescale, creating additional fiscal space to support the economy if needed. But we must not lose sight of the unchanging economic facts of life. Funding for public services can only be delivered in one of 3 ways: higher taxes, higher borrowing, or stronger economic growth. And only one of those 3 choices is a long-term sustainable solution for this country in the face of the inexorable pressure of an ageing population. Higher taxes will slow growth, undermine competitiveness and cost jobs. So the Conservative Party will remain committed to keeping taxes as low as possible. And higher discretionary borrowing to fund current consumption is simply asking the next generation to pay for something that we want to consume but are not prepared to pay for ourselves. So we will remain committed to the fiscal rules set out at the autumn statement, which will guide us via interim targets in 2020 to a balanced budget by the middle of the next decade. Stronger growth is the only sustainable way to deliver better public services, higher real wages, and increased living standards. I thought we'd won that argument, but I learned in the general election campaign that we have not, that we must make anew the case for a market economy and for sound money, the case for growth. And we need to explain again how stronger growth must be delivered through rising productivity. That means more trade, not less, maintaining our strong trade links with European markets after we leave the EU, as well as seeking out new opportunities for trade and investment with old friends and fast-growing emerging economies alike.